Hello students. We are sure you would have seen candles. Generally, they are in the shape of cylinder. You may have also seen some candles shaped like an animal or fruits or flowers, etc. How are they made? If you want a candle of any special shape, you will have to heat the wax in a metal container till it becomes completely liquid. Then you will have to pour it into another container which has the special shape that you want. For example, take a candle in the shape of a solid cylinder, melt it and pour whole of the molten wax into another container shaped like a duck. On cooling, you will obtain a candle in the shape of the duck. But note students that here the volume of the new candle will be the same as the volume of the earlier candle, as we have not added or removed wax from it while melting. Always remember that volume of first shape is equal to the volume of another shape after conversion. This is what we have to remember when we come across objects which are converted from one shape to another, or when a liquid which is originally filled in one container of a particular shape is poured into another container of a different shape or size, as you can see on the screen. Now, to understand what has been discussed, let us consider some examples. Example 1. Water in a canal which is 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? If 8 cm of standing water is needed. Students, it is given that the canal is the shape of a cuboid with dimensions as breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. It is also given that the speed of water from canal is equal to 10 km per hour, which means that the length of canal covered by water in 1 hour is equal to 10 km, which also means that length of canal covered in 60 minutes is equal to 10 km. Therefore, length of canal covered by water in 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 into 10 km. Similarly, length of canal covered in 30 minutes is equal to 30 upon 60 into 10 km, which gives us 5 km. If we convert it into meter, we get 5000 meter. Now, we know that the canal is cuboidal in shape. So, volume of cuboid is equal to volume of canal. Therefore, volume of canal is equal to length into breadth into height. On substituting the values, we get 45,000 meter cube. Now, as per rules of conversion from one shape to other, we know that initial and final volume remains same. Therefore, volume of water in canal is equal to volume of area irrigated, which we can write as area irrigated into height, as volume is equal to area multiplied by height. Here, for filled, area is length into breadth and height is nothing but the height of standing water, that is 8 cm. Therefore, volume of area irrigated is equal to volume of canal. Therefore, 45,000 meter cube is equal to length into breadth into height. On substituting the value, we get 45,000 is equal to area irrigated into 8 cm. On further solving, we get 45,000 is equal to area irrigated into 8 upon 100 meter, as we have converted centimeter into meter. Therefore, area irrigated is equal to 45,000 into 100 upon 8, which gives us the value 562400 meter square. Let's take another example. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Now, first let's find the volume of all the spheres. For sphere 1, radius is equal to 6 cm. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Similarly, for sphere 2, which has radius r is equal to 8 cm, we get volume is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r2 cube. For sphere 3, radius is equal to 10 cm. Therefore, volume is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r3 cube. Also, let the radius of the resulting sphere be capital R. Now, we know that total volume of new sphere will be equal to the sum of small 3 spheres as it is made from them. Therefore, volume of resulting sphere is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. On substituting the formula, we get 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r1 cube plus 4 upon 3 into pi into r2 cube plus 4 upon 3 into pi into r3 cube. Now, taking 4 upon 3 into pi common, we get 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Therefore, r cube is equal to r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. On substituting the value, we get r cube is equal to 1728. Now, taking cube root on both sides, we get r is equal to 12 cm. Thus, the radius of new sphere so formed by mixing smaller spheres is 12 cm.